It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're on board our 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. It doesn't get any better than this. Look how nice and clean this boat is. The carpets are in great shape. The original upholstery is perfect. 1,400 hours on this boat. It's in great condition. The owner has kept it, used it, maintained it its whole life. Basically, he's owned it for the last 25 years, as I mentioned in my other videos. Quick look at the galley area. It's got the Sea Ray alcohol electric stove. It's a pressure system. He has a AC fridge only. There's a 2,000 watt inverter. They upgraded the fridge on it, so when you're away from shore power, you do use the inverter, but it's a very low draw item. It has a Webasto diesel furnace. Super high ticket item for a boat in the Pacific Northwest. It's like mandatory. Diesel heat, silent diesel heat, basically runs off diesel fuel and electricity when it's pumping through the fans. It's forced air is what it is. So we can turn around, we look around up to the front. You got an offset double berth. It's large, very, very comfortable. Opening hatch forward, lots of storage inside. And back in the day, that probably was a TV locker of some sort. All in great shape. Looking aft in the boat, you got the dinette table, which turns into a double berth, and then in the aft stateroom, you have another lounge area, or converted to a double berth. An RCA TV set. You got Clarion stereo with, get this, a cassette and a CD stacker. Yes, a cassette player there for you folks. All the logs, full maintenance logs on this boat are available. You have to come and see it to see them. He's been really diligent. You can see exactly what he's done. And then if we look in the head, it's got a mid-cabin head, all fiberglass lined, manual marine head, has a heater duct there, telephone style shower, hot and cold pressure water, vanity sink. Sea Ray did a beautiful job with these boats. And this is a fine example of a 330 on shafts, not on stern drives, but on shafts, in great shape. This is our inside video, Pacific Coast Yacht Sales.com. We've been in business for 31 years. We're bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. Been doing this a long time. Selling boats for 35 years, spent my whole career in the boat business. And these videos help us sell boats and show you what we're selling. It's a great product, great value in a used boat. A 1993 330 Sea Ray Sundancer, realistically priced. We look forward to hearing from you. 604-708-1980. I'm Philip. I'm the listing broker. Thanks again for watching.